This video is for our final project in CS410. And our task is text classification competition. It's for the sarcasm detection on Twitter platform. And our team includes 3 members, and the name of our team is Salty Fish. And my name is Jingling Li. I am the captain, and my teammates includes Jiarong and Jianzhe. Here I am going to introduce our methods. Actually, we first implement one baseline by LSTM. And this is our report, and you can refer to this report for more details. Um, and actually, the first version of our method using LSTM cannot beat the baseline, so we tried a lot of hyperparameters. However, we only get an FE score of 0.63. So after that, we try to use BERT in our model, and we just use a simple BERT and some multi-layer perception after the BERT for the binary classification. And the BERT is pre-trained, and we're going to fine-tune the BERTs and do the classification. And we only use the response and without using the context. So after training, we also do the ensemble of the logits. We choose to, we produce the logits of of uh, 2 results and combine them by taking the average. And our burst model can beat the baseline, and our FE score is about 0.75, and it's a relatively high FE score, and our model ranks about 18 in the final leaderboard. And here I'm going to introduce the usage of our code. And our code mainly includes these 4 files. The main.py is for training, and the evaluate.py is for generate the logits and the answer.txt. And ensemble.py is for the logit ensembling. And we have a dataset.py is for loading the dataset, and model.py is saving our class of the class of our model. And here I'm going to have a demo for our training and testing process. I will have an introduction to the usage of our code. And first of all, if you are going to train the bird model of our project, you will need an GPU device. And if you are going to train the STM model of our project, you can just use CPU. But if you use GPU, it will be faster. And this is our list. And what you are going to do is just type this command main python 3 main.py, and the device 2 means we are going to use device 2, and the LR means the learning rate, and the epochs means the number of epochs we are going to train, and the use valid and eval means we are going to use validation dataset, and we are going to do evaluation. And this is for the training of STM model. And after you type enter, it's going to do the training, and you can see the loss and the precision recall FE score. And if you are going to train the burst model, we will just type in use burst, and the code we're going to train the burst model. And the result is similar, but it will be a little slower because it's loading the model of birds. Yeah, let's wait for the result. And the output is the same, and all the model will be saved. All the chain model will be saved in the checkpoint folder. And after the training, you will find the checkpoint in this folder, like run 0, run 1, and if you use cd, you will find a checkpoint inside. And if you are going to do the evaluation, you can just run this python 3 evaluate.py. Run 0 means we are going to use the checkpoint inside run 0 folder. And use port means we are going to use port model, and device 3 means we are going to use GPU 3, and here we are going to use device 2. And it's running. And after it's done, the result will be saved in the folder results run 0, and there are two files, answer.txt and the logits. And the logits.txt is for the assembling. And this is the code for the assembling. If you are going to do this, you will change this path in ensemble.py and just the python 3 ensemble.py, and the result will be saved this. Okay, so it's done, and we can see the results. And this is the answer, and this is the logit.txt, and the answer.txt is ready for submission. And that's all. Thank you.